Members of Mgboshimini community for Ogbiakpo local government area, Rivers State, don stage one peaceful we no go gree for the gates of Nigerian Agip oil company Port Harcourt to demand them say make them dey do direct interface with the community and not be with one certain group. The members of the community come also yarn dem say make dem terminate every contract wey dem don already give the group since the group dey allegedly pose threats to the community and no dey represent them well. Leader of the protester Yenche Wele, wey also be the community development chairman, come talk say Mgboshimini community don dey host the company for over 50 years but they never benefit anything from them, and say the company dey use divide and rule method rather than to work with the community.
Our demand of this community is to say Agip terminate all the contracts you gave to the killer groups and their sponsors. That is one. Secondly, we said Agip should recognize their immediate host, Mgboshimini Community Council. They should recognize our immediate host, deal with us directly, not from any other killer group. We are not under any killer group. We are under our humble community.
We have leaders everywhere. They don't recognize them. We can't even talk less of our youths. They are all roaming around without job. And Agip is here, residing here. And we don't even know why. And that is why we are here today. That Agip should come out and recognize Mgboshimini community. Agip should come out and recognize the women. Agip should come out and recognize the men. Agip should come out and recognize the youth, so that things will go well with us. We cannot be here and suffering when we have a company like this. We don't even know what we are hearing. But if Agip is going to another company, please, we want to beg that new company should not hesitate to recognize Mgboshimini community.
And we're here to say, Agip, there is a community called Mgboshimini that owns this land. Agip wrote us a letter in response to a letter we wrote to them demanding the termination of contracts awarded to a wanted killer group, that was declared wanted by the Nigerian police in 2017. And Agip replied that they had done due diligence on a wanted killer and that they had duly recommended those companies for contracts. And today, Agip is leaving our community in sorrow, tears, and blood. We are here to say our barest minimum demand is that Mgboshimini community deserves protection. Agip cannot use Mgboshimini as a killing field. We are demanding that Mgboshimini community should be given its rightful place in the affairs of the Nigerian Agip Oil Company, rightfully and so entitled by the laws of this nation. Mgboshimini is not an anarchist community, and that is the reason why, despite the killing of more than 40 persons in one night, no house was raised down.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.